In this lesson, we're going to go more in depth into the two data types of strings and integers. You'll find yourself using these primarily as your main two types going forward: strings for alphanumeric data and integer for numeric data. Understanding how these two data types work together will allow you to choose the most efficient data type for yourself going forward. Looking at these statements, we find ourselves manipulating two string values in multiple methods. Once we have defined the string variables and then assigned the variables string values, we find ourselves using the message box function to stitch together the string values with the ampersand. Similar to the concat function in Excel, the ampersand in statements stitches together values into one consolidated string. We can also trim and search strings within ranges, just as we can with any type of string functions in Excel, but much quicker. Moving on to integers, we must first recall that this type of data is numeric in nature. It is not capable of holding alphanumeric values, and as such we relegate those data types to string. Having numeric values placed into the data types that support numeric calculations allows VBA to properly run mathematical functions. Examining the first three statements, we can see that integer has no problem holding whole number values. However, when we try to assign a decimal value to the variable, integer rounds the number to a whole number. Integer data types cannot hold decimal values. The long data type is similar to integer, however it is less efficient as it is required to hold more data. When you're using the long data type, it is usually because the integer data type is unavailable to hold the value of that integer because it is too large. This is where you may find yourself using long. Single and double are the decimal versions of integer and long. Single is able to hold decimal values as well as whole values, but it is slightly slower than integer. Double is the decimal version of long, and it's capable of containing more digits than single. However, it is processed the slowest out of all. Keep these in mind when you choose your data types, as choosing inefficient ones will slow down your code. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.